Hey guys, welcome to Shareably Delicious. Today we're making baked mac and cheese. Whether you're at home or need something easy for a get-together, this is the perfect side dish. The ingredients are 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs lightly beaten, salt and pepper to taste, 16 ounces of Velveeta, 1.5 cups of milk. You'll need 16 ounces of shredded pepper jack cheese divided in half, 16 ounces of mild cheddar cheese also divided in half, 8 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese, and 16 ounces of elbow macaroni. First, preheat your oven at 375 degrees and then slice up the whole block of Velveeta. Now combine your Velveeta and milk in a saucepan and melt on low heat to make your cheese sauce. Be sure to stir it a lot so that the cheese doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. While your cheese is melting, go ahead and cook the macaroni. If you cook it too far ahead of time, it won't be hot enough to melt all the shredded cheese that we're going to add. Get a large bowl or a pot and pour in the hot macaroni. Now add your seasoning, butter, eggs, and the melted cheese mixture. Stir well and be sure the butter is melted. Add in half of the cheddar cheese and the pepper jack cheese and keep stirring quickly so that it'll melt. See those shredded cheese pieces? They didn't melt because I cooked the noodles a little too far ahead of time and they weren't hot enough, but that's okay. Pour the mixture into a large baking dish and spread it evenly. Sprinkle your remaining pepper jack and cheddar cheese on top. Now we like a lot of cheese, so we even added a little of the Monterey too. Go ahead and slide that into your preheated oven for about 25 minutes. Now we're going to work on that little extra, not necessary, but really adds a nice little crunch to the top. Cheese crisps. Turns out they're a good snack, but today we're using them to top the macaroni. First, place some parchment paper or a baking mat on a baking sheet. Now you'll make piles of little Monterey cheese on your pan, about a handful for each, and space them out a little bit because they're going to spread in the oven. Bake these until they look dry and just turning brown like this. With our oven on 375, this took exactly 25 minutes. Once they're slightly cool, break them up and try not to eat them all. Okay, back to the macaroni. Once it's close to 25 minutes and you can see the cheese bubbling around the edges, turn on your broiler for about 2 minutes. This is going to brown the cheese on top. Pull it out of the oven, sprinkle the broken up cheese crisps on top, and you're done.